Here it is. It's the 16th of March and it's 2019. It's a beautiful day and the wife and I have been extremely busy. So I'll show you a couple of the projects we're working on and then I'll go ahead and start milling. So hang on. Well, since it's so sunny and nice out, I finally got 3 years worth of European mounts stained, because like everything, I trial and error and school of hard knocks. So when I boiled these heads, I kind of sort of bleached out the bases, and some were more bleached than others. So I used these 3 products here to go ahead and try to restore the color to what their natural color was. I opened up my Facebook and looked at each one of these kills and what natural color they were when they hit the ground, and I tried to match each one to the color they were when they hit the ground. But this is what I've been working on this morning, and I'll show you more projects we're working on today as this video goes along. Well, in the last video you saw that we had cut some firewood. Well, we got busy and did some log splitting, and there's the splitter. I finally got a hydraulic splitter because my back was killing me doing it the old school way, and I live on a budget, so get things as we can. But all that firewood we had sitting over there the other day ended up making 2 nice stacks of firewood, and if the weather keeps up, that'll be for next year. This right here is one of Melissa's projects. She's totally rewiring the outbuilding and the breaker panel, running all kinds of new wire. And this outbuilding was not sheetrocked before, so it is now. And each one of these outlets that she's putting in is going to have its own breaker, so we're not going to have to worry about having multiple tools plugged in and breakers popping. And we're adding some insulation, so cut down on the electric bill. Well, here we are back at it with the chainsaw mill, and this log probably looks familiar because it was the first one I started with, and I put a longer board on it instead of using that rail system. And I don't know, I've been using the board on the last couple and it seems to be doing okay, so I went ahead and started without the video. But I'll shut the video down real quick and start getting the next step after the leveling cut had been made. And no, I'm not going to take the whole tree, but it'll come in steps. So I'll get it so far, make a couple boards, and then cut it, and then I'll end up having to take the rest of the limbs off and hook it up and pull it out a little bit more so I can work on it. And then there's another one underneath it that and both these trees were taken out for the garden, which is right there. So anyway, I'm gonna pause the video real quick and go ahead and clean the rest of this up so I can get started making some lumber.